Let me just catch you real quick. Start this.
Start it right.
Huh?
Just start it right.
Yeah, do you want to say something? What's today's date?
It's the 13th of July, and it's a Sunday.
2025?
Yes, and it's raining. And this is just the status. It's kind of a mess right now here, I think, that we're doing the status film of the living room. That's very, very
Are you taking Doggy with you?
I'm just going to get a rag.
Oh, okay. Where's Doggy? It's been very, very hot for several days, very sunny, and now the bottom fell out. It's cold and pouring rain. It's pretty. But of course, it would be better to be able to get outside and do work. But we are inside, and it's been a long time since I've done one of these videos. I'm trying to just I wanted to do kind of a before and after with the walls. I have been chinking, re-chinking everything, which is kind of oddly satisfying actually. It's not nearly as, you hear nothing but horror stories about chinking, the tedium and the endless misery, fastidiousness of the whole thing, and I found it to be very therapeutic or something, some kind of soothing exercise, and the material that we're using, which is that might have something to do with why I like it, or why it doesn't bother me. It's what is this material? It's called caulk. I'm blanking on words now. I should have thought about this. Anyway, it's lime. It's lime. It's lime mortar. It's lime and sand. That's what it is. Caulk, lime, mixed with cooked linseed oil. I'm not sure I've done a video about this before, because I did do some chinking when we had the temporary second floor up a couple years ago, and we're redoing the ceiling, and I chinked the logs up high up there with the same mixture. We tint it also with some natural powders that we got from the chinking store. And so you get this sort of peanut buttery brown. I haven't chinked these yet. This is the old chinking with the color of the old wall. So we're going to leave this wall is going to remain as you see it here, unpainted, as is that wall. And we decided, I just had to go back and forth on this and whether it's going to look okay or not. But we scraped it down and found a couple of layers, and the oldest layer is the darker blue, which you may not be able to see on the video. But we were able to match that at a sort of an antiquarian sort of place. And yeah, there you go. There's the light blue and the dark blue. So we're going to paint this wall in its entirety this old blue. You know, we'll see what it looks like. So I'm doing the before here. We've scraped it, I've chinked it, I've filled some of the cracks and splits in the logs. I replugged this, which was kind of rotten out. I think that came off real nicely. And I've been chinking these corners, that is actually tedious. That's not too fun. But we're doing that even though we are probably going to, or we are going to put back these sort of corner boards that you can see where they used to be, where the painting stops. Those will go up to the height that they used to be when there was a ceiling in here, which is up to here. And I'm gonna have to do another video because I can't sit here and talk and explain all the finished details. But we are gonna put like a I'm forgetting all words. Not a baseboard, but like a trim board to kind of finish this, to finish the wall from here down, and which will also mark the height of the original ceiling. So it will not be painted above. It'll be natural above and then blue below. Might be weird. We'll see. Can't go back. Okay, that's it. Other than that, I have been doing work outside in on the greenhouse, but I'm going to save that for another video. Very green.